Good evening, everyone. An O'Connell Falls man was charged late this afternoon with killing his friend. Court documents reveal that investigators believe Jordan Walker, who is in jail tonight, shot and killed his friend Sean Dobry. Dobry, who was also 19, was attending a going-away party for Walker a week ago. Dobry's funeral will be tomorrow. Fox 11's Becky DeVries, who was in O'Connell County this afternoon and this evening, has new details tonight.
This is a human tragedy. This is a tragedy from any perspective you want to look at.
A tragedy that left Sean Dobry dead and his friend Jordan Walker charged with second-degree reckless homicide.
We do not believe this was intended at all. This was horsing around, and sure, some people are calling it an accident. It's an accident only in the sense that it was not intended. To a lawyer, though, it still, to me, constituted criminal recklessness.
Walker has also been charged with obstructing an officer.
It's our contention that we have to prove in court that the defendant was not truthful with us at first. The first story that law enforcement was told was that Mr. Dobry was running around in the woods and had hurt himself and injured his ear.
The criminal complaint details what witnesses say happened that night. Walker told someone to get his gun, a .45 caliber semi-automatic pistol, which was passed around. Police say Walker told them he thought to himself that he should not have it outside because something bad was going to happen. Witnesses, including Walker, say he fired the pistol at friends, but without any bullets. Witnesses saw Walker load and unload the gun and, in a joking manner, threatened to shoot Dobry. Witnesses say Dobry was acting weird and many there were drinking. Walker told police he knew Dobry was behind him when he brought the gun over his shoulder and fired it. After the gun was fired, one witness thought Dobry would be okay. Walker said he did not think Dobry was severely injured, which is why 10 to 15 minutes passed before he called 911.
My view of the evidence was, in the fairest light to the defendant, I don't think his initial reaction was that Mr. Dobry was injured as severely as he was.
And also in the criminal complaint, when questioned by police, Walker agreed with them and said he must have lost track if the pistol was loaded or not. We tried to speak with Walker's family today, but could not. I spoke with Dobry's grandmother and told her Walker was charged. She said, "That's good." Dobry's funeral is tomorrow. Walker could face more than 25 years in prison if convicted of the charges. The district attorney says Walker will have a bond hearing on Monday.